The AI bubble is finally bursting. You can feel it in the job market, you can see it in the stock corrections, and you can hear it in the silence of companies that promised the world 6 months ago. But let's be clear about what is actually popping. It's not artificial intelligence itself. That technology is here to stay. What's dying is the hype cycle. It's the flood of wrapper apps that are just ChatGPT with a new logo, and the boardroom fantasy that a chatbot is going to replace your entire engineering team by next Tuesday. If you've been terrified that robots are coming for your paycheck, take a breath. The free ride is over for the hype merchants, and that is actually the best thing that could happen to your career. Here is the evidence. First, the money is drying up for half-baked ideas. For the last year, companies poured millions into AI transformation expecting magic. What did they get? Mostly unreliable chatbots and code that works 90% of the time. This brings us to the last 10% problem. As we've discussed on this channel, AI is incredibly brittle. It can get you 90% of the way there instantly, but that last 10%, the part that requires context, security, and complex logic, is where products actually live or die. Companies are realizing you can't build an enterprise business on a tool that hallucinates facts when it gets tired. And finally, the hiring correction. You're seeing fewer job postings not because AI stole the jobs, but because the COVID hiring bubble popped. Companies hoarded talent in 2021 like it was toilet paper. Now they're correcting. It's an economic cycle, not a technological apocalypse. So, when the dust settles, what's left? This is the opportunity sits for you. When the hype bubble bursts, the prompt engineers and the AI will do-it-all pretenders get washed away. The market is shifting from experimental AI to sustainable AI. Companies don't need people who can just generate code. They need people who can fix the code the AI generates. They need engineers who understand system architecture, data governance, and how to integrate these brittle models into rock-solid applications. The sidekick era is beginning. AI becomes the tool that makes you faster, but you remain the architect who makes it work. Here's your play. Stop panicking about the robot overlords and stop chasing the latest shiny model that'll be obsolete in 2 weeks. Instead, double down on your fundamentals. Learn how software is actually built. Learn the deep logic that AI glosses over. The developers who win in the next decade won't be the ones who blindly trust the AI. It'll be the ones who know exactly where it's wrong. Don't chase the hype. Master the skills the hype relies on. If you want to future-proof your career, hit that subscribe button for more nonsensical analysis. I'll see you in the next one.